Welcome to Study Hub. SSC Stenographer 2025 All Idioms. Think outside the box. Meaning, to consider unconventional and creative solutions लीक से हटकर सोचना. Sentence, to solve this complex problem, we need to think outside the box. Cut the Gordian knot. Meaning, to solve a problem boldly and decisively. समस्या का साहसिक समाधान करना. Sentence, the new CEO decided to cut the Gordian knot by completely restructuring the company. Cast pearls before swine. Meaning, to give valuable things to people who do not appreciate them. बदंद्र क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. Sentence, trying to teach advanced philosophy to someone who isn't interested is like casting pearls before swine. In the limelight. Meaning, being the focus of public attention. चर्चा का केंद्र होना. Sentence, the young actor has been in the limelight ever since his first hit movie. To all the hinges of silence. Meaning, to gradually break an uncomfortable or awkward silence. धीरे धीरे चुप्पी तोड़ना. Sentence. The host tried to all the hinges of silence by asking a simple question to the quiet guests. Go the extra mile. Meaning, to make a special effort, to work harder than expected. अधिक प्रयास करना. Sentence, the team had to go the extra mile to meet the tight deadline. Take to task. Meaning, to scold or reprimand someone for a mistake. डांटना या फटकारना. Sentence, the teacher took the student to task for not completing his homework. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to endure something painful or difficult with courage. कठिन परिस्थिति को सहना. Sentence, he had to bite the bullet and tell his parents the bad news. Not one's cup of tea. Meaning, something that one does not like or is not interested in. पसंद का न होना. Sentence, mountain climbing is definitely not my cup of tea. In black and white. Meaning, in writing or in print, official and clear. लिखित रूप में. Sentence, I won't believe it until I see the terms in black and white. To have the last laugh. Meaning, to succeed eventually after being underestimated or criticized. अंत में सफल होना. Sentence, the underdog team was criticized all season, but they had the last laugh by winning the championship. Give someone a cold shoulder. Meaning, to intentionally ignore someone. किसी की उपेक्षा करना. Sentence, she gave me the cold shoulder at the party, and I don't know why. Show a clean pair of heels. Meaning, to run away or escape quickly. भाग जाना. Sentence, when the police arrived, the thieves showed a clean pair of heels. To turn over a new leaf. Meaning, to make a fresh start or change one's behavior for the better. नया जीवन शुरू करना. Sentence, after getting out of prison, he promised to turn over a new leaf. Tooth and nail. Meaning, with great strength and determination. पूरी ताकत से. Sentence, the villagers fought tooth and nail against the demolition of their homes. Face the music. Meaning, to accept the consequences of one's actions. परिणाम भुगतना. Sentence, after failing the exam, he had to face the music and tell his parents. Face the music. Meaning, to confront difficulties or an unpleasant situation. कठिनाइयों का सामना करना. Sentence, despite the challenges, we must face the music and complete the project. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Meaning, a picture conveys a message more effectively than a long description. एक चित्र 1000 शब्दों के बराबर होता है. Sentence, The photo of the devastated village after the flood truly showed that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret, often unintentionally. रहस्य उजागर करना. Sentence, he accidentally spilled the beans about our surprise party. Steal someone's thunder. Meaning, to take credit for someone else's idea or achievement. किसी के काम का श्रेय लेना. Sentence. I was about to announce my promotion, but my colleague stole my thunder by announcing her own first. Turn a deaf ear. Meaning, to ignore someone's advice or pleas. सलाह को अनसुना करना. Sentence, he turned a deaf ear to his parents' warnings and got into trouble. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to joke with someone by trying to trick them. मजाक उड़ाना. Sentence, don't get upset. He's just pulling your leg. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Meaning, don't assume success until it is certain. परिणाम आने से पहले सफल न मानना. Sentence, you're celebrating your bonus already? Don't count your chickens before they hatch. A white elephant. Meaning, a costly and useless possession. महंगा और बेकार वस्तु. Sentence, the old building was a white elephant for the company, costing a lot to maintain with no use. Cry over spilt milk. Meaning, to regret a past loss or mistake that cannot be undone. व्यर्थ पछतावा करना. Sentence, we lost the game, but there's no use crying over spilt milk. We need to focus on the next one. To leave no stone unturned. Meaning, to try every possible course of action in order to achieve something. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना. Sentence, he left no stone unturned in his search for his missing dog. On cloud 9. Meaning, extremely happy and joyful. बहुत खुशू होना. Sentence, she was on cloud 9 after receiving her exam results. Flog a dead horse. Meaning, to waste time on a lost cause or a hopeless issue. व्यर्थ प्रयास करना. Sentence, trying to convince him to change his mind is like flogging a dead horse. Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning, to be pursuing a mistaken or incorrect line of thought or action. गलत व्यक्ति पर आरोप लगाना. Sentence, if you think I took your wallet, you're barking up the wrong tree. Cut no ice. Meaning, to have no effect or influence. कोई असर नहीं होना. Sentence, his excuses cut no ice with the strict manager. To grasp at straws. Meaning, to try desperate measures in a hopeless situation. निराशा में व्यर्थ का सहारा लेना. Sentence, he was grasping at straws, trying to find any reason to justify his failure. Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or admit defeat. हार मान लेना. Sentence, after 3 years of trying, the startup decided to throw in the towel. Jump the gun. Meaning, to act prematurely or before the proper time. जल्दबाजी करना. Sentence, let's not jump the gun and announce the results before their final. To beat a dead horse. English meaning, to waste time on a subject that has already been discussed at length. व्यर्थ के मद्दे पर समय बर्बाद करना. Sentence, we've already discussed this issue, so let's stop beating a dead horse. Cry wolf. Meaning, to raise a false alarm. झूठी चेतावनी देना. Sentence. No one believed the boy when he said the house was on fire because he had cried wolf too many times before. Make a clean breast of. Meaning, to confess everything honestly. सब कुछ स्वीकार करना. Sentence: the suspect decided to make a clean breast of everything and confess to the crime. Token strike. Meaning: a brief strike held as a warning. Pratikatmak Hartal. Sentence: the employees held a token strike to warn the management about their demands. Bury the hatchet. Meaning: to make peace and end a conflict. Dushmani khatm karna. Sentence: after years of not speaking, the two brothers decided to bury the hatchet. Get to the point. Meaning: to speak directly about the main topic without unnecessary details. Madde par aana. Sentence: stop with the long introduction and please just get to the point. Jack up the rates. Meaning: to increase prices sharply. कीमतें बढ़ाना. Sentence: the company decided to jack up the rates for their premium services. Speak your mind. Meaning: to express your opinion frankly and openly. मन की बात खलू कर कहना. Sentence: it's important to speak your mind even if others disagree. Clutching at straws. Meaning: desperately trying to find a solution or hope in a hopeless situation. निराशा में सहारा ढूंढना. Sentence: he knew he was losing the debate, and his weak arguments showed he was clutching at straws. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.